Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about just on Thursday, the price was down here. Now all of a sudden the price is all the way up here as of the close on Friday. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a good solid bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.30. Why is $2.30 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.30. If the price were to come down to this area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, price movements that go back to where they were, not a true sign of power. Whereas let's say the price goes down, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $2.30. What about levels of resistance going forward? In the very near term, the party finally stopped today right up there at $2.55. So $2.55, that initial original level. And then if the price can push up through there, next key level after $2.55, right up there around $2.67. Anyway, look at it though. Very nice movement today. Great bounce. Now going into next week, it's definitely just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.